So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Master Math. So I hope you watched my last video. So if you haven't, I've given the link in the description box. Please check it out. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you get new videos. And comment down below whichever topic on math you want in my next video. So let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you about prisms. So first of all, what are prisms? Prism is an object that has identical. Identical means same. Identical, parallel, and parallel ends and all flat faces. That means there's an object which has two ends. Both of them should be identical and parallel to each other, and the phases, that means including the ends of it and the other phases of the prism should be flat, else it wouldn't be a prism. So here I've got you a picture of a triangle prism. So here there's, as you can see in the colored picture, it's colored in brown here. Triangle, as you can see clearly at both the ends. See, they're parallel and identical to each other. That means they're parallel and similar to each other. And there are 1, 2, and 3 rectangles as the other phases of this prism. So we can identify that this is a prism because all its ends are both the ends are identical and parallel, and the other faces are also flat. So according to the definition, it is a prism. So 2 triangles are used as its ends and 3 are used as its faces. So now I'm going to tell you how you can name a triangle, name a prism. You can name a prism on the basis of its ends. So whichever 2D shape, name the prism according to the 2D flat shapes in the So here it is a triangular prism because the 2D flat shape on the end is triangle. If it would be a rectangle, it would be a rectangular prism. If it's square, it would be a square prism. So on. Then we have a tissue box, an example of a tissue box. Tissue box is also an example of prism because both the ends are identical and parallel to each other. As you can see here, this is identical to the other side, and all the phases are flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 phases, 5 and 6 phases, all the phases are flat. So according to the definition, it is a rectangular prism. Different prisms and their phases, their vertices and their edges. So first one is a triangular prism because it's a triangle, as at its end it has 5 phases, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 at the down. 9 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 6 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a square prism. You can also call a square prism as a cube. So here we have 6 phases, 1, 2, 3, 4th one at the bottom, 5th one on the side, 5th one on the left side and 6th one at the back. Then we have 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the other side, 11 here like this and 12 on the back. And then we have 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 at the back down. This is not a prism because it doesn't have identical ends. It has only one base, as you can see. 2 ends there are, but only one is 2D and flat. But the other, it's a point. It's the top. It is not 2D nor flat. So it is not a prism. It's a hexagonal prism because it has six vertices on both the ends. So it has 8 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at the down, 8 at the top. 18 edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And 12 vertices: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What we have is a prism is a polyhedron. A polyhedron means that all the faces must be flat. So, here now we have a cylinder. There are circles at the ends. They are identical and parallel to each other. But it is not a prism. Why? It is not a prism because according to the definition, there should be only flat faces, as we just saw in the last picture, that it is a prism is a polyhedron. There should be only flat faces. So here this is a curved surface. It's not flat surface. So though the ends are identical and parallel to each other, it is not a prism because it is having a curve and which is not according to the rule of a prism.